Bo, you've on your picks, Courtland was in the area on, I think, all of them. Have you looked at that, and is it something where you're trying to force the ball to Courtland at all?
No.
Well, with a couple of the drops week one, Sean talked about it, and then a couple of weeks, do you go out of your way to talk to guys, or do you just know that because they're pros, they know they weren't supposed to drop?
Well, it's like me. I mean, when I miss a pass, they don't come up and harp on me. So I think, I gotta, treat them the same exact way. And yeah, we're professionals and we have a high standards, but we're allowed to mess up too, and we, make mistakes. But those guys, I see them work every day. I see them, continuously show up, make plays in practice, make plays in games. So I'm not going to get too uptight about, one play. And now, if there's something that I can do to help them, I'm definitely always there for them. But I definitely think it's a work in progress, and we all, all 11 of us on offense have things we can improve on. And sometimes, a drop is seen on national television, but you didn't see the inaccurate throw, or you didn't see, somebody that might have, messed up within the play. So sometimes that is, made bigger than, what it is. I think it's just a mistake that everybody makes, and we just got to continue to fix our mistakes.